All right, so this was my last day on Carnival Jubilee. Um, I went to the specialty restaurant, Emerald's Bistro. Everything was delicious. Everything
You
was
hear how
delicious.
hot that
Okay,
is?
and then all of a
Let me
sudden,
just
while
jump
we
up.
was eating, a show started.
Ooh, something a picture won't do.
Okay, so this is a specialty restaurant, Chabang. It was everything was good. Okay, they had it was orange chicken and pork, and I tried the steak, and everything was really good, and they were really fast. Tacos, nachos, everything was delicious. I heard they was getting rid of it, but I enjoyed it. This was from the buffet. The buffet, even the buffet food was beautiful and delicious. You know, the Jubilee olive food was good. I didn't have anything that I didn't enjoy. Nothing, nothing. Everything was delicious. Those were the best dessert I had on the ship. Oh my God, it was good. It was so good. So Carnival does a TSC now, and I went and I had a good time. These are all the ducks I found, and then I found about eight more.